Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to record shows movies on YouTube TV. To record shows or movies on YouTube TV, go to YouTube TV and log in. Tap Add next to the program, sports team, or event you want to record. This will save all current and future airings in your library. If added mid-episode, it records from that moment, but reruns will replace partial recordings with full episodes. To remove a recording, tap Remove next to the program. Recordings stay in your library until they expire. For NFL Red Zone, you must add the channel to record the full 8-hour block, as specific games or teams cannot be recorded individually. You can start recording from the beginning, resume where you left off, watch live, or view key plays if supported. If you encounter issues with the recording, you can report it from the video player. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.